Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Insider. Today I am going to give you some idea regarding this crypto farmers game. As I have started around 35 days ago and I am on the ROI. Today you may say that I have reached the ROI, and if I wish I can withdraw my money and I'll get some profit, of course. But I will keep on continuing this game, and I will share the idea how you can start and keep earning the profitability. Let's do start. Well, first I am harvesting this and I'll show how much tomatoes I am having. There are two things. One is tomato and other is carrot. Carrot is for free. If you keep on growing carrots, you will gain XPs and you will get more carrots, but it will not give you any monetary profitability in this game. Okay, you cannot sell these. The second thing is tomato, or there are many things, not only tomato. There are cucumber, potato, cabbage, corn, wheat, broccoli, pumpkin and bell pepper. You can buy those and try to harvest those, but for that you have to reach your level. While you can upgrade your level, you can try to buy and harvest those. First, in level 1 or level 2, you can buy tomato, cucumber, potato, all these things. Well, I'm going to share all the details. If you have watched the previous video, you have the idea how you can start playing. If you haven't watched, I am giving you some brief so that you can start by watching this event. Well, you can come here, click on this icon, and here you can see farm token buy. You want to buy, then you may have Tether, USDT, or you may swap it at your MetaMask or Uniswap. Wherever you want to swap, you can swap. At least if you want to buy 10 tomatoes, this portion is very important. Just try to listen it carefully, because whenever you want to harvest something, you have to buy at least 10 of that. So if you want to harvest 10 tomatoes, then you need to buy, sorry, you need to buy at least 10, right? This is 10 tomatoes and the price is 61.347. At least try to get 62 farm token. For that, you can come to crypto farmers and check out the price. Yesterday it was 0.50 or 0.51. Right now it's trading on 0.46. So it's bit down, but eventually it will go up. In coming bull run, I guess this coin may touch $1 or maybe even more. It will cross $1 in my speculation. In coming bull run, maybe in 3 or 4 months, it will be around $1 or more. So while you will start playing, you have to buy at least 62 farm token. For that, right now you have to pay $28.62, or you may buy 124. So if you want to buy two sets of tomatoes, you have to buy 124 farm token, and for that, by today's price, you have to pay $57.25. So it's up to you. You may use two farming bed or you may use one farm bed. In one farm bed, you can harvest 10 tomatoes at a time. So I am clicking on that, and you can see I am having 19.55. I am using it, as I am having another 9.56. I cannot harvest this portion right now. I have to wait until it gets to 10 tomatoes at least here. So that was my mistake. I just exchanged around 120 farm token at that time when I started my playing. So you should not make this mistake. Either you take 62 farm token or you take 124 farm token, so that you can start with these two beds. for free, and if you wish to get more beds you have to pay 50 farm token for that. So I suggest, don't try to buy any bed, don't try to invest any farm token for buying any bed, right? This is farm bed, so you are getting two farm beds for free, and every time you will get 20 tomatoes to be harvested, and after 1 hour and 30 minutes you will get, if you harvest 10 tomatoes you will get 10.01. So if you harvest 20 tomatoes at a time you will get 10.02 tomatoes on that time period. So if you do 10 times a day, if you can do 10 times a day, you will eventually harvest 0.40 tomatoes in a day. So in 2.5 days you will earn one tomato, and you can see the price of one tomato. If you want to sell one tomato, you can check the price. This is price of one tomato, 6.09. Okay, I am copying it, and in crypto farmers, $2.80 by today's price. So if you start playing even today, then every 2.5 days you will earn this at least, or maybe in 3 days you can earn $3. So it's up to you if you try to start from today, and if you wish to keep on playing you can do this, or else you can do one thing, you can buy farm token and hold for a while, you can get the profit out of it for sure. And now what you can do, well, you can buy cucumber if your house level is 3, if you can buy potato if your house level is 4. So you can do one thing, that if your house level is 5, then you may buy 10 cabbages even, and that will take 1200 minutes, that means 20 hours to grow, and every time with 10 cabbage you will get 10.16 as a bonus, 0.16 as a bonus. So it will be huge, right? And you need to check the cabbage price, it's very high, I guess. If I need to buy 10 cabbages, then I have to pay 597, say for 598. So it's a huge investment. $276. I am not going to do this right now. I will try with tomatoes. If I can get another 44 tomatoes, that means another 44 times I will harvest this in coming 3 to 4 days it will be done, and then I'll have another 10 tomatoes, so that I can keep on harvest these two beds, harvest beds, and every time I will get 0.02 tomato as a bonus. And this process I will follow for next 3 to 4 months, and let's see how much I can earn. Of course I will do some videos, and I will keep on informing you how I am making any profit, or if I am on loss, I will clearly tell you everything to you. And this is the referral link. You can see few friends already joined with this link. I will share this. The few friends, 4 friends have already joined, so I will definitely share this link in the description box, as well as in my Telegram channel. You, if you wish, you may join. And if you have any question regarding this game, you may ask me directly, I will try to solve it. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.